Hello everyone. I'm Laule. Many of you already know how to install the PostgreSql database, the pgAdmin data management tool on Windows OS. In today's video, I will share with you how to install PostgreSql and the pgAdmin on the Docker to run independently and not depend on Windows OS anymore. With just one command line, we have all the tools to set up tables and the data on the PostgreSQL database. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone. The first we need to open my blog yet living low .net. And we move to the post of today, with the Docker. The topic is PostgreSQL PG admin with Docker VScode on the Windows OS. Yes, here there are many some step and the command lines here. The first of all, that we need that we there are some conditions. Yes, there are conditions we need to do it before. Yes, um, requirements, Git, Docker, VScode. Yes, installed already. Okay. For step one, yeah, we need to pull the source code from the GitHub to the computer. Okay. Um, before we pull the code to the computer, yes, we need to create the folder that contain the project source. And here, for example, and open this folder with the VScode. Okay. Yet we need to do some command line about the gig. Yet for the I need to align. Yet I need to align remove at the origin. Yet URL the gig. Yet to boot. Yet okay. Next we need to open new terminal. Uh, we need to initialize git. Yep. Git. Okay. Yet this URL. Okay. Yeah, this is information about the git for this code and the git pull main branch. Okay, good. There are some file uh, from the code here. Okay. Yeah. We are on the main branch. Okay, that we finish with the step one. Right now, we move to step two. That we need to configure and run the some Docker command to download image and the setup container in Docker. The first, yes, we need to configure some the necessary information on the file Docker compose. Yes, Docker compose file. And here, yes, we need to setting some information here. Yeah, here is the everything about the config, just about the setting for the Docker to compose. There are two service. Yes, there are two service here. Yeah, the first, the second. The first for the database, yes, Postgres, yes, Postgres, and the second for the pgAdmin. Yes, pgAdmin, yes, manager, yes, manager everything about the Postgres, yes, Postgres. Okay. Um, pgAdmin, yes, pgAdmin will run on the browser, yes, on the browser with the with the some, yes, some information for the login. Yes, we need to change. Yes, we need to change information here. Possible. Yes. Okay. And the password for admin. Yep. Possible admin's password. Okay. Yes. This for the PC admin on the browser. Yes, when we log in to the PC admin. And here, yes, we need to reply the same information in here. Yes. Um, we will create a database. Yes. Create a database. For example, my TB and the user to manager risk database. My user and the password. That my password of the my user. Yeah, to the manager, to the manager, my DB. Okay, and the save chain. Save chain. Okay, done. Yeah, risk command line. And the next, we need to run risk command line Docker compose of, yeah, just that build and that d. It for the setup and the run image PostgreSql container and the pgAdmin automatically. Yep. Then we come back the terminal window. Uh, Docker compose of the build day and, yeah, the progressing is running. Please 1 minute. That it will run the quickly. Okay, processing the successful. Yet, Docker Docker install Docker pull. Yet pull two image, that images, progress, and the pgAdmin for, yes, to the Docker for the install, and the create get two container, yet here yet for the container uh, PostgreSql, and here yet for the pgAdmin, yeah, pgAdmin container. um, Now we need to check, we need to check which risk command line, yeah, list, list, container, current container in Docker. We can see there are two the container here. Yeah, container here. This one for the pgAdmin container. This one PostgreSql, yeah, DB database, yeah, database, yeah, container, two containers. Okay. Here we need to check the image ls. Yes. Um, there are two. Yes, there are two the image here as well. Yep. Okay. Um, until now, we had we had the two containers ready, ready for the using, using. Okay. Yeah, done risk command line. Um, we need to move a step 3. Yeah, right now, yeah, we need to perform some the operation on the PostgreSql and the pgAdmin. Yeah, the first we need to we need to run URL, REST URL. Okay, pgAdmin, yeah, pgAdmin works. Yeah, and uh why why localhost why localhost run on the 85 port, yeah, port 85. Why? Yeah, let me explain some information about the why user response. Yeah. Um, we can see, yet we can see here, yet pgAdmin, and the port, yet 85 80. Yep. And um, normally pgAdmin yet will run browser with the port 80. Yet, but now, yet we will run 85. Yet for the avoid the conflict, with the port normal port for the another project, current project, when you to do with them. Okay. Yeah. um that's reason, we will proctor 85, yet instead of the 80. Yes, 80. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's from the we need to log in inside, just inside the and we can to do something with the database of PostgreSql. But where are the email address on the password? Where is from? Yet where is from? Um, is here. Yet it's here. Email here. And the password, admin password here. That because we initialized before. Okay. Yes. With the log, with the log inside here. Um, but the first, yet we need to create a new server. Yet new server to the new server, and we need to create some table yet for the database. Yet for the database. Yet database MyDB. Yet MyDB. Yet RISDB. RISDB. Yet we also initialize before. Okay. Yet we need to see it. Yet inside pgAdmin for. Yet new server. Yet we will name localhost. Okay. With connection types. Hotname address. Hotname address. What is the hotname address? Yet hotname address is IP. Yet IP of the service PostgreSql. Yet IP of PostgreSql. IP. Yes, RISC IP is yes is the IP of the container. Yes, of the container. Of the container. And the where and the where, yes, and where do we get from? Yes, get from. And here, yes, there is a command line. Yes, there is a command line here. Yes, for the get the IP, yes, IP the container, container run database PostgreSql container. Yes. Yet we need to replace container name. Container name. What is the container name? Is here. Yeah, with copy here and the parts. Yeah, we because we need to get the IP from the container PostgreSql. Yeah, PostgreSql and enter. Okay, there are some info here, and we need to care, and we need to care here IP address. That container this container run on the IP address. Yeah, and the copy. And we need to the enter here. Yeah, um, database maintains database Postgres, but no use no year Postgres database. Yet we need to use this database. Okay, and the username, that's username here. Yeah, username here. Okay, and password here. Sidechain. Okay. Yeah. We created the localhost database, and we can see yet there are two database. Yet default Postgres and the MyDB yet from we create um and we also remember that pgAdmin run on the container, yet not the Windows OS. Yet it just run it just uh, it just run the container. Yet container. Yet container here. Okay, container. Yet we finished. Yet we finished the risk command line. And right now, yet we will to do. Yet we will do uh, some uh, some uh, some example for example, create the some table and yet enter the some information to those tables. Yet table here. Okay, table here. And we can see no table here. Right now we create. Yet we create some table, but there are two ways. There are two ways to the create tables. The first, um, we can use uh, visual just visual UI window. Yet we can enter name table, for example student. Yeah, and the columns, and we will create some column. For example, uh, ID. Yet um, data type. Yet in type. Okay, and the not known primary key. Yet the second, for example name student. Yet a string and the character. Okay, not name. Save. Okay, we can see yet a student table create here. Yet we need to view if there is any data here. Yet no data. We will add yet insert some information records here. For example, ID one, name. Okay, and the sidechain. Good. Yet review again. Okay, good. The second way is we will create table by the SQL query. Yeah, and here query tool. Yet we will use the query tool yet for the create table and enter the some information about here. Yet we will create another table. For example, create table cost. Yes, with the two fields. The field, for example, CID, name. Yet uh, CID with the type data type int, not known primary key. Yet primary key. Yet main primary key. And the name string varchar so master with the mask length 30. Just 30. Okay, 30. Okay, right now SQL. Yet we will SQL it. Yes, successful. Yeah, please worry the successful. Create a table the course. And we need to refresh. Okay, you can see that there is a course table here. And the similar, yet we need to the insert some information here. One full start course. Sorry. Okay, chain. Yet review again. Okay, good. Yep. Yet we done. Yet we done step 4. Yet we done step 4. Yet, but I will explain some information more um, possible. Now, if we stop container pgAdmin, yet what's happened? What's happened? At uh, Docker stop. Yet I will stop this container with the container ID here. Yes, I will enter yet the first three F to F to F. Yet enter. Okay. Yet right now and recheck the status of the wrist container. PH. That's sorry. That's I. Yet you can see container here. Yet container pgAdmin assist. Yes, not stop. It stop. It's stopping now. And we need to check browser. Yet we can reload. Yet okay. It not work. Yes, it's not work. It not work. Because it runs on the container. Yet on the container pgAdmin. And right now, yet we will start. Yep, restart it. F2 F enter. Yet and recheck the status. Okay, yet to up. It means it will yet work again. Just work again. Okay. Yeah. That's all. The rest on for the post of today. Yet the video. Yet video of today. I hope. Yet I hope you practice more. Yet practice more. And there are yet the other useful for the your project, your job, yet your project and your studying. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye.